Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step guide showing you how you can buy your first Solana NFT. So the NFT space on Solana has been blowing up recently. I made a video on it about a month ago detailing some of the Solana NFTs that I thought were good and would perform well, and they've done terrifically since then. So on Solana, it's cheap and it's easy to get into NFTs, and the community is slowly growing. And a lot of people are migrating over from Ethereum, so we're only going to see this ecosystem get stronger over time. To onboard ourselves onto the Solana ecosystem, we're going to need two things. We're going to need some Solana tokens, which I'm going to refer to for the rest of this video as SOL, which is its ticker symbol. And we're also going to need a Web3 wallet that works on the Solana ecosystem. So if you don't already have an account at a centralized exchange that allows you to buy SOL tokens, you can just go to CoinGecko, search up Solana, and then go to markets, and here you'll be able to see all the different centralized exchanges of where you can buy SOL right now. So going to Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, FTX, those are the main places that I think are worth going to. FTX in particular, because they are a massive supporter of the Solana ecosystem, and it's quite easy to bridge your funds from FTX onto a Solana wallet. So you're going to need an account set up. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using FTX, and I already have some SOL tokens in my wallet. And now we're going to need to set up a Solana wallet in order to send that SOL to. So the best one right now available on the market has to be Phantom. As you can see here, it's a Solana wallet built for DeFi and NFTs. You want to come to the official Phantom Twitter and then click this link, and it will take you to phantom.app website. I recommend just doing that first if you're not familiar with DeFi and like Solana and all of that, because sometimes if you go to the Google search and search for this stuff yourself, you might click on a dodgy link and install something that will steal all of your money or like hack your computer. And I'm just going to press add to Chrome, and this is going to download the Phantom extension. Add extension. Excellent. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you'll see this screen. And what you're going to need to do is press create new wallet, and it'll give you a secret recovery phrase. So these are just a bunch of random words. I advise you to copy this down somewhere. Probably copy it down on a piece of paper, several different pieces of paper, ideally, because if you lose this recovery phrase, it's just a matter of time before you are unable to log back into your account, and then you'll lose access to all of your funds. So make sure you keep this somewhere safe. And now we're going to create a password as well. And then we'll press finish. And there we go, we're all set up with our Phantom wallet. So I'm just going to pin this so I don't have to keep clicking on the extension for the Phantom wallet to show up. So now what I need to do, I need to send my SOL tokens into my Phantom wallet. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to a different tab, click here, go onto Phantom. So I'm already logged in. I'm going to press receive, and then send from wallet or exchange, and then this is my wallet. So I'm going to press copy here, and then I'm going to go to FTX, and I'm going to withdraw. I'm just going to withdraw 0.1 SOL for now. I'm just going to have to wait a couple of minutes for my SOL tokens to arrive into my Phantom wallet. Okay, so now I'm just going to check that I have the funds in my wallet. I click up here, it says that I've got my SOL. So now I'm ready to go to an NFT marketplace and then buy an NFT. So this particular one that I'm going to right now is Magic Eden, and I'm going to show you how you can buy an NFT of Magic Eden. It works very similarly to all the other NFT marketplaces out there on Solana, so don't worry too much about not knowing exactly how it's done. It's quite intuitive and easy to do. So Magic Eden I like because it has a good mixture of lots of projects being listed fast, as well as having a nice user experience. It's got a couple of features that Solana Art and Digitalized don't have. Not to say that they're bad NFT marketplaces, I just prefer Magic Eden. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to buy one of these trashy pandas because they don't cost that much. You can go over to here and look at different collections, as well as up here, and look through all the different collections of what you might want to buy. I'm going to buy 9683, hopefully. Let me just connect to my wallet. There we go, I'm connected. And I can either make an offer or I can press buy now. If I make an offer, it means that I can make an offer for, say, 0.08 Sol instead of 0.089. Now, the seller could choose to accept that if they think the current price they're trying to sell it for, no one would buy it at. So if I make an offer, they could possibly accept it for that price. However, if I want to buy it just straight up just now, I can press buy now. So Magic Eden only allows for verified NFTs to be sold on the platform, so you don't really have to worry about buying any fake NFTs on Magic Eden. But I'm just going to go ahead and buy this NFT by pressing buy now, and then I'll have the transaction that I'll need to approve up here. Press approve, and this should hopefully go through. And there we go. I've bought that trashy panda. It's now part of my NFT collection. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how you can sell your NFT on Magic Eden as well. So you want to log in, and then we can go to sell. Okay, so when we click sell, it shows my items here, and this is the list of NFTs that I currently have in my wallet. So I'm just going to press here, sell, and then I can choose whatever price I want to list this trashy panda at. So I'm going to list it here for just 1 Sol. Here we go. Press list now, and then I'll get another transaction that I'll need to approve. Press approve. Okay, and there we go. My trashy panda is listed for 1 Sol. So if any of you guys out there want to go ahead and buy this NFT, go ahead. But yeah, that was the process. Just a quick step-by-step guide into buying and selling your first Solana NFT. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.